Remember, I don't know any more than you know. I'm just going by what I'm seeing. So this is not financial advice. It's just my perspective on the price action that's presenting itself on the candle. So let's get into it, shall we? So I can't really remember, I've got to be honest, what I was talking about in my last video. So we'll just quickly jump down to the 1 hour just to sort of have a little look. Oh, that was it. So I was looking at this possible area of demand, which has clearly been broken. So we will get rid of a few things on the chart now. Price has been pushing a lot lower. So if we go down to the daily, down to the daily, up to the daily, let's just go to the daily, we will see that price has come into this drop base rally zone. So I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll just get rid of all the crap and we'll just start afresh. So we've got this demand down here where price has come very close to, almost nigh on touching it on the daily. And why is this demand? Well, we had this break of this bearish structure here, and now price is coming back down into the origin of the move. So what we would like to see on the 1 hour is, let's have a little look, something along the lines of this sort of bearish structure here being broken. So if we can see price really sort of break above this area here, maybe it'll be pullback and then it'll go up, or it could just keep going lower. Yeah, no, I mean, to be fair, on the weekly, let's have a look at the weekly, we've using the same principle of this drop base rally, there is a good chance that realistically price is looking and searching to go back down to the origin of the move which started this initial run up. So we would have this this demand zone. Why is it the demand zone? Well, this is the origin of the break of this bearish structure. Now what has happened up here is any stops that would have been placed above these highs here would have gone up, spiked. The market's now reversing back to where it's moving, where they feel fair value maybe, or the algorithm is. So I wouldn't be surprised to see price dip down as low as 19 cents again before we see potentially a move up. That's not to say that it won't go any lower, but at the moment that to me is the most logical place the price could come back to. As I've mentioned before, I would like to see price take out the sort of 40 cents level, and then before I'm really getting excited, we'd need to see a clean break above the sort of 51 cents level. So we'll leave it there. Potential more downside? Probably. Do I know if it'll happen? No. Have a nice evening.